Hello everyone, I'm Satish. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about this interesting feature called variants in Figma. We're going to use this feature in order to create this bottom nav component. The interesting thing about this particular feature is that you don't have to create multiple components. So let's say in this case you have a bottom nav component and you have multiple states in it. You don't have to create individual components for each different states. What you can actually do is create variants of the single component, and let's see how we can do it. Here I have put different elements that you need for a bottom navigation. The next step is to identify elements which is going to have different states. So let's say home, you have a selected state and a disabled state. So what we're going to do here is pick up this particular element and going to create a component out of it. And once you create a component, you have this particular option called variants, and you can click on this new variant, and let's say you name it as selected. What you have to do next is click on this particular element and change the styling of those. Here we have identified individual elements of the navigation bar which has different states. One is the default and the selected state, and we made them as components and created variants from them. So now let's do the same for the rest of the elements. So now we have all the elements of the navbar split into variants, and let's drag and drop individual elements from these components and create one particular navigation component. So now we have put all the elements together. Next we're gonna make this as another component, and let's bring this down here. And what we're gonna do here, again we're gonna create a variant inside this, and I'm gonna name it as wallet. So what I will be doing here is just double click on this particular wallet and change into selected state and change this as the default state. So the same way I'm going to do this for all other tabs. So what I'm going to do here is make this as a selected and make this as a default. So here we have created an individual nav component which has multiple variants within them. So now what we're going to do here is just take these individual components and put it in your different screens. Or even what you can do here is actually copy this onto multiple screens and just click on it and change the states. So in this way it becomes easy for you, if you're designing multiple screens, you can just select on this particular nav component and change the variation. So let's see how this brings up on the prototype, and we'll make some quick connections out of it. And here we have this single component which is there on multiple screens, and you can just click on each individual screens, go to the component and just change the variation. So as simple as that. And this is variants in Figma, and you can use this in order to create a single component which has multiple variations and use them across your designs. If you find this helpful, please press the like button, and if you want more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Let's catch up later. Bye bye.